channel, another video. Sorry, it is so hot. Anyway, today I thought, because my place is a mess, it's not always a mess. I'm manifesting good habits. Anyway, it's a Monday today. I don't know if this was too close. Anyway, it's a Monday today, and I thought I have to go to work in like the next 2 hours, but I thought let me just try and do some stuff and just do like little by little until like the space is completely, like not completely organized, but like semi-organized. I'm just gonna use what I have because I don't really have cash to buying like organizational baskets, drawers, shelving, those kind of things. So let's just see what we do. And yeah, anyway, my name is Senna. If you are new here, thank you to all the returning subscribers. Thank you so much. And yeah, subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Tongue twister. And yeah, let's just get on to the video. So the first thing I want to do is unbox all of these things. Yeah, these boxes are a lot. Open up the first box and kind of have an idea what's in here.
Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down? Yeah. No friends of mine around.
The last box that we're gonna be opening up. Yeah, this one I got lazy because as you can see they're not wrapped up.
Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun.
Check this cracked. Oh, I should have wrapped this. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
Yeah, I got the June blues. Yeah, walk down like New York. Yeah, it's something you get used to.
Okay, so this is everything that was inside the boxes.
Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gonna be the same.
I think
finna bleed down generations, not gonna be in vain.
I've low-key made a bigger mess than what I started with, but that's okay. Right now what I'm gonna do is actually wash the dishes. I think let me wash the dishes, clean the kitchen, and then get ready for work. Oh, maybe actually clear out those boxes. Yeah, I think I should do that.
I'm calling, maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. All mine, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies, and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Be with no one, yeah, but me, yeah, baby. Come on. To my thick chicks down in Texas, all the way to New Orleans, where the girls cook catfish, and in LA, every chick's an actress. Hollywood status with the shaded glasses. To Detroit, yeah, the place that I rest, where the ladies got asses and a lot of sex. And Hot Atlanta, y'all, is one of the best, where they speak Southern slang and smoke la cess. And New York women are way too fresh.
Okay. So I just want to give you guys like a good before of my space and how it's looking. So yeah, wait, let me try and move a bit further. So this is the real before of the space that I'm gonna try and neaten up. These clothes are all clean, by the way. Yeah, all these clothes are clean. They've just been sitting here for a really long time because my closet is low-key full. So you guys know that moment when you find money in your jackets? Guys, I'm so happy about this because I am so broke. It's not even funny. Also found like random coins. Let's see if there's more. Okay, there isn't more. But guys, 20 rand richer, baby. Okay, back to this. Okay, so now we're gonna test if the suitcase will actually close. I think it will though. Some clothes out of my closet. I still have to pack those clothes into the closet, but right now I actually want to move onto my bathroom things. But these were inside like these storage woven baskets, and I just want to organize that a little bit better. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, so this is how my bathroom is looking. Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, I keep that there because it's always leaking. And then I have a random bag over there. And then, yeah, I hate the setup, BT dubs. That's my boyfriend's, by the way. Not thinking I use like 3 towels. Okay, so yeah, I wanted to talk to you guys real quick about perhaps why you haven't seen any perhaps why you guys are seeing another vlog style video and not really a makeover or any DIYs. That's because A, I love to vlog if you have not noticed, and B, I'm really taking my time with my space. Maybe too much time. I think you guys can criticize me on that a little. I can also like look deep into myself and criticize myself on that a lot. But yeah, I just really want to be intentional about the space. And I noticed before when I was doing certain DIYs that I would just do stuff for doing stuff, and sometimes would just cause clutter because now I have this random thing that looked nice for a moment, but I don't really actually want it in my space. So yeah, so I just really want to be intentional about the projects that I do, the spaces that I work on, and vlog. Yeah, I really want to make vlogging a little bit more part of my channel, so hopefully you guys will stick around for that. Gosh, just cutting. But anyway, I'm saying I'm a lot, but yeah, I just want to be intentional. I really want to take my time with the spaces. I am a huge procrastinator, which is what I'm trying to work against. Small little habits, that's what I'm working on, and atomic habits. And then also just sourcing items that I want. So I've been like, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I have Facebook Market struggles. I've been on Facebook Market. I've seen so many things I like that either overpriced and people don't want to negotiate, or I'll message the person and like the person will just not get back to me at all, and then like a week or so later it's been itemized as sold. So that's been a little bit frustrating. But yeah, I really want to be just intentional. Guys, give me another word. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. My next video, I'll probably share my mood board with you guys, like my full-on mood board, so that all of this kind of makes a little bit more sense. But yeah, so I'm gonna make lunch right now because I am hungry, and I'll talk to you guys later because I still have to tackle all of that. Okay, so this is how the closet is looking so far. Oh gosh, I got my boyfriend's shoes flying around. This house is too small for 2 people. Damn. Okay. yeah, so this is how the closet is looking. Got like my formal shoes here. I don't know how the sneakers are there, and then the sneakers here. I got my dresses and skirts this side, and then shirts this side, and then
Oh yeah, I'm out of. Yeah, me like it. Every time you wake up, stunning with no makeup. Me like it.
okay guys, so this is my masterpiece. Not much to brag about, but yeah, this part is still somewhat of a mess. These two drawers, uzozibona umuntu, uzozibonela. I'm finally here. Like, I'm not fooling, honestly. Packing clothes is so annoying. But anyway, I decided to just pour myself a glass of wine. I'm gonna chill for like 30 minutes and then so I'm gonna chill for 30 minutes and then get back to it. Also have to cook. Oh my gosh. But anyway. Let's just get on with it. I always do this to myself. I'm so annoying. But yeah. Let's just get on. You happy that I want to cook?
We are sip the honey for the day, baby. Bad man, we no stray, baby. Oops, I done fell for your way, baby. I know, girl, but can I know from the first time I seen your love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I will fall for you. You got to know that everyone falls. Oops, I done fell so deep, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I done fell so deep, cause everyone falls in love sometimes. I don't know about you, but it ain't a crime. Little let me love you, love you, love you, love you for a long time, baby. If you let me touch and if you let me love you to the morning, if you let me love you, if you let me touch you, if you let me love you, if you let me love you. We are so dandy for the day, baby. Come my way, baby.
Okay guys, so I am finally done. Oh gosh, I feel like I've accomplished something so major. But yeah, so this is how my space is looking. I really struggled with this over here. I feel like it would have looked so much better if these pictures were hung up. But yeah, it is what it is. And then yeah, this is how my lounge is looking. It's how my lounge is looking. Ignore the boxes. I promise though I'll get rid of them in like a week when I actually finally do a DIY. But sure, some peace in my life. Okay guys, I am really proud of myself. Let me come here. Yeah, I'm really proud of myself. It took me a long time to do it, but I promise you I'm gonna be doing small habits to make sure that the space actually stays really neat. And it's not even a promise to you guys, it's just for myself. For myself, I have to do this. And yeah, hopefully I can also sell this bed frame soon, so that I can start buying some furniture for this place. But this is what we have so far. And yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for being part of this series. I don't know what it is, but yeah, thanks for sticking around, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.